Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sudisha, the Partner Success Specialist at ThreadCorp. And I, along with Pallavi, Praveen sir, I'll be taking the session 6 for the next 30 minutes. So, we are excited to have you all here and we look forward to discussing the upcoming agenda with you. Thank you again for joining us. So, 5 sessions, 3 hours, and one truth that runs through all of it, that partners who close the most ThreadCorp deals are not the ones with the most experience, but they're the ones who actually uses the tools. So the phishing simulator as a prospecting weapon, TPIR as a renewal engine, the PSM dashboard as a boardroom conversation. So every single one of those tools is in your hands right now. And what me, Pallav and Praveen sir are here to do in the next 25 minutes is to make sure that you walk out of this room knowing exactly what happens next, and with the full weight of ThreadCorp's partner program, behind you. So, the single most powerful thing you heard today, and I want you to carry this into every prospect conversation from Monday onwards, is this: that partners who run a free phishing simulation with a warm prospect before the commercial conversation close at 3 times the rate of those who lead with a pitch deck. And you heard the same from Jay in session 3, you heard it from Handy in session 4, you heard it from Prince in Nepal, who went from zero ThreadCorp revenue to his first enterprise deal in under 90 days. So, just by starting with a simulation and not a slide deck. So, the phishing simulator is not a demo, it is a prospecting tool. And every partner in this room now has it, knows how to use it, and has 3 case studies from peers in markets different from yours to prove that it works. So here is, what the next 25 minutes looks like. Pallavi is going to show you the full upcoming quarters incentive structure, the SPIFs, the co-marketing fund, and the deal registration mechanics that back every deal you register from today onwards. And then I'm going to give you the exact 5 actions for Monday morning. And it's not an inspiration, it's a checklist. Then the pipeline pledge goes live for anyone who has not submitted yet. And then we open the floor to your questions with Praveen sir on camera to answer them directly. So no scripts, no deflection, and we can, you can continue. So the challenge is issued, the tools are in your hands. So now let me bring in Pallavi. Pallavi is going to give you exactly what ThreadCorp is putting on the table to make sure that you win this quarter. So Pallavi, over to you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sudisha. Now every partner is know the solution, how to pitch it to the customer, what weapons they can use from our resource link, to communicate with the end customer. So everything you have heard today, the phishing simulator as a prospecting weapon, TPI as a renewable and upsell engine, the PSM dashboard as a the boardroom weapon that Sudisha has mentioned. That is not a theory. It's partner who use those tools grow their ThreadCorp revenue faster and keep customer for a longer period of time. So what I'm going to talk or show you is that what ThreadCorp puts behind the partner who commits to using them, and that is going to really helpful in your upcoming quarter, and that's going to help you in your incentive structure. So all these things we have already discussed, but I really wanted to highlight the very few pointers like the Sudisha, which already have mentioned, like the SPIF structure. So for every net new ThreadCorp customer that you are bringing to up now is going to be the upcoming pipeline for us, and it's going to be the named bonus tires will be activated for you because of the reward program that we have launched today. So this is the exact motion even the Jay has described in the session 3 for you, the free simulator that you should use to get those particular deal, to get those particular incentive. So commercial conversations drive from there only. So now I'm going to talk about the second thing, that is the upsell of SPIF. So for partners, existing phishing simulator only account to a T set. So there you can easily upsell to the TPIR or the even the full PSM dashboard in your upcoming quarter. So if you have nothing in your pipeline, but there is already a something. So if you have given T set or TLMS to any customer of yours, you can ask to, you can suggest to them, you can consult to them the rest of the modules, that is the TD mark and TPIR. And from there also you can earn your incentive, the points basically from there also. Now, the third one is the multi-module enterprise deal bonus. So, deal that includes TSET, TPI, or even the PSM dashboard in a single proposal earns a additional tire bonus. So, like I'll just want to highlight one more thing. Like if you go for the TSET plus TLMS, then certain points are there. But if you go for the complete PSM suite, there is some additional bonus or the points that you will be getting if we are able to onboard the customer for the complete PSM suite. So this is something that is really going to important and helpful for you. Now again, we have talked about the co-marketing fund, so everything is there. We really want you to utilize them, come up with us and work on those particular. And deal registration link again is there in the chat section. Whoever is going to register the deal today, the points gets doubled down, and if that deal gets closed, so I would recommend every partner who is there in the room, kindly register the deal where you think that Threadcorp is going to be the potential customer. So whatever you are going to register till 5 p.m. for those deal, will be considering for doubling the points. So if that goes closed again, so that is what majorly the thing I want to highlight for you. So now I hand over it to the Sudisha to take it ahead from here for the rest of the pipeline pledge and complete the things. Yeah, Sudisha, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Pallavi. So, since the time is very limited, so I'll be straightly talking about points. So, here are the 5 things that I want every partner in this room to do before Friday, and not this month, but before Friday. So, action one is submit your pipeline pledge if you have not already done so. The link is live in the chat right now. One number, your upcoming quarter's ThreadCorp revenue target. And this is the action that unlocks your MDF application, your BD co-sell priority, and your name on the partner leadership board. So it would maximum take 30 seconds. So please do go and register, and do it now while I walk, through the actions number 2 to number 5. So number 2 would be run a free phishing simulation with one warm prospect this week. And I don't mean a cold contact, someone you already have a relationship with. One simulation, one results call. And when 30 to 40% of the team click a simulated phishing link, which they eventually will, then the urgency is self-generated. You do not need to sell them on the problem. The data does it. So if you want to use the new WhatsApp AI simulation that launched in April, it's even better. And it is the most powerful cold to warm conversation tool Threadcorp has ever, shipped. Number 3 would be download your vertical battle card and one pager from the resources link that will be shared to you after the conference. The link has pre-built, vertical campaign kits for Middle East, India, Southeast Asia, and EMEA. So Arabic language phishing templates, TPI and PSN dashboard on pages. So these are the assets that you saw referenced throughout session 3 and 4. So you have not used them in a customer conversation yet. If you have not used them, so you're going, doing more work than you think that you need to. And as that I've just mentioned, you will get the resources link after the conference. Action 4 would be register your top 3 pipeline opportunities today. So even if they are early stage, registration is not a commercial formality. It is the trigger that it assigns your BD co-sell contact. Locks your pricing for 30 days. It also moves your deals to priority status on Threadcorp deal desk. So partners who register early win more deals, and that pattern is consistent across every region in our ecosystem. So 5 minutes per deal, and a registration form is in the chat. Action 5 is book a co-sell call with your Threadcorp BD contact for your top enterprise prospect. So Threadcorp's BD team joins partner calls specifically for first enterprise deals, and they are just not working as observers, but they also work as closers. They know the product, they know the objections, they know how to get a deal that has stalled moving again. So you heard Handy also say in session 4 that the co-sell support changed the Indonesia deal timeline. So that resource is real, it is available, and it is underused. So do not try to close your first enterprise deal alone when that support exists. And after you run that simulation with your warm prospect, here is exactly what the next 5 days look like. So day 1, send the result summary. department level click rates, no individual names. You can use subject line like, your team's phishing risk profile, results inside. Day two, you send the TPIR context, what that click rate means in cost terms if it translates to a real incident. Then anchor it in operating months, not percentages. Then day three, you send a case study from their sector, like Gap Technologies for Southeast Asia, emerging markets, iLogo for Southeast Asia, Region Digitech for India. So all three are in partner, the portal. So day five, send the commercial proposal, not before day five, and the first 4 days build urgency that makes the proposal land differently. So partners who follow this sequence convert a significantly higher rates than those who send one results email and wait. So the difference is not the product, it is the discipline. 5 days, 5 emails, and one commercial conversation. So you have the playbook, you have the action. Now it is time to make the commitment official, because pipeline pledge is live, and Pallavi is going to walk you through the submitting your right now. Over to you, Pallavi.
Thank you, Sudisha. So, team, as Sudisha has mentioned, like the pledge or the DR link is already live. We would really appreciate if you submit all your leads. Like if you submit it before 5 p.m., we really want you to double down your points. And meanwhile, floor is open for the questions. If you guys have any question, please drop in the chat section. So we would be really happy to answer all the question of yours. And meanwhile, a certain polls that we have conducted, so we got a very good response from that. So people really wants to know, what collaterals does ThreadCorp have for the market where the brand is not known yet. So a very good question. So I would like to answer this particular. This is the most frequently raised gap by the partners in the emerging market, and it is one we are actively closing. So here, what is live in the resource link from the today onwards is the Arabic language, the email templates, and the Bahasa in Indonesia templates, and the ME and the SE. So regional languages template would be available for you, which you can fully utilize for the outreaching efforts of yours. That is really going to help you. So by tomorrow you'll get all the resource link on your mail, and if you haven't get or you missed any, so please connect with the partner success team. We'll really happy to help you. And what really happens after this pipeline pledge, who contacts you, and when and what do they help you with. So it might be a question in your mind, so I want to answer this particular question also with you. So within 1 hour of your submitting your, the deal or the pledge, you receive a confirmation email with the full SPIF and incentive program breakdown, your MDF application link, and the direct contact details of your ThreadCorp BD partner account manager, where from whom you can discuss the pipeline for your next upcoming quarter. And within 48 hours, your BD contact person reach out proactively to schedule the alignment call, reviewing the top 3 deals that you are registering today for the upcoming, the quarter. Identify which qualify for a co-sale support and agree for the cadence for the quarter. So that is what we are going to do once you register the deal with the ThreadCorp. So yeah, these are the few things that I really wanted to share with you, and the partners also really want to know. So let me check this chat section if any questions from the partner is there. Yeah, so what kind of phishing simulation and behavior analytic capabilities are most valued by the customer today? So, Praveen, sir, I really want you to answer the question for the team. Yeah, the answer is already there. So, hi, Akif. So, the answer is there in the chat section. You can go through, and if you really want to know more in the details, please connect with us. We will clear all your doubts. Any more questions? We are still open for questions. Please ask as many questions, whatever you want to know. Go with the complete transparency, so that from the next week onwards, we work closely on those particular deal with our team. Any more questions? Because we have a time, we can answer the question of yours. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. If any questions are there, let's answer all the questions of the partner. And I really appreciate all of you. Like, you have invested 3 hours of yours, and I'm really sure that you'll be getting something from these 3 hours today. Really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for joining our this very first virtual partner conference. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today, and looking forward to working with you all very closely. Stay in touch, connect with your respective regional managers that is being assigned to you, or even you can connect with me anytime. We all are here to support you, to work together, to win together. Thank you so much, everyone. Really appreciate it. And we'll keep conducting such kind of events for you, so that you'll be get to know all the insights, even related to the products, the partnerships. And we will be keep sharing such kind of a partner success stories of our other partners with you, so that you also keep feel motivated and looking forward to the next partner virtual summit. Let's see when we can plan the next for you. Perfect. Yeah, definitely. Post this call, you will get all the details, the portfolio of the ThreadCorp, and everything. Perfect. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
Before we close, I would just like to have some few minutes of yours to acknowledge the people who made today possible. So, and I mean it specifically and not generally. So, to Pawan sir and Deep sir for building a product that partners can walk into any boardroom in the world with, and they win. So the AI capabilities, the PSM dashboard, the WhatsApp simulation, these are not features. They are, the reason why our partner are closing enterprises deal in markets that, did not know people security management existed even 18 months ago. So, to the panelists from session 2, 3, 4, and 5, Manish Kumar sir, Ashok sir, Prashant sir, Prince, Handy, Anurag sir, Sushant sir, Dinesh sir, Praveen sir, Naman sir, Jay sir, for sharing the real numbers, real objections, real deals. So, you gave, more than, I guess there were 200 plus partners for today's session, and the most credible thing in any sales environment, proof from the peer, and that takes courage and generosity. Thank you so much for that. To Pallavi for being the person on the other side of the call whenever a partner needs support, for knowing the ecosystem better than anyone, and for making the partner program something that genuinely works. So today was a reflection of that only. And to every partner in this room from Germany, UK, Middle East, Africa, India, Nepal, Indonesia, from each market in between, for choosing to build your business on ThreadCorp. That is not a small thing. We do not take it lightly at all. And the market that we are building together is one of the most important in cybersecurity right now. So it's not because because nowadays cybersecurity is in talks, but uh, you know for the organizations are finally starting to understand that the biggest security risk is also their most vulnerable people. So the ThreadCorp is the only platform, built from the ground up to manage the truth. So you have a product that no competitor has matched, and you have an incredible, incentive structure that rewards execution. You have a partner program, and two people on screen right now who will back you everything every other way. So thank you very much for attending the session today. We really, really appreciate everyone joining.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sudisha, for your kind words. Really appreciate your effort. Thank you.